Dear children, so I think you have revised the lesson. Unit 2, the first butterflies. I have told you to read many times. I think you have done it. Do it regularly. Okay, so let's just rewind the lesson. So long ago, what happened? When the world was just being created, elder brother, what was he doing? He was walking around the earth. Why he was walking? To enjoy the beauty of the earth. When he was walking, what did he watch? What did he see? What did he notice? He watched the young children were playing everywhere on the earth. So he saw the young children were playing everywhere on the earth. So what did he think? He thought that, who thought? Elder brother thought that how happy these children are. Because why did he think? They were smiling, they were very happy. So the elder brother thought that how happy the children are. So again he was walking. He thought that the children loved the soft rain, green of the grass and the flowers, everything else, isn't it? So when he was watching like this, he began to worry. Suddenly what happened? He began to worry. Why? Because he thought thought that someday these children may be sad. What did he think? He thought that these children may be sad. Now they are happy, but he thought that someday these children may be sad. They may fall ill. Why they may be sad? Because when they fall ill, they will become sad. Or when they become hungry, also they become sad. And they also become sad when they get cold in the snow. So while the elder brother was walking, again he began to smile. Why did he smile? Because he got a big idea. He got an idea that made him smile again. What was the idea? He got a bag. What did he fill in that bag? You studied in the previous class. What did he fill? He filled with the flowers, red and yellow leaves. He put some blue feathers of peacock, then blades of green grass and some golden corn. And at last, what did he add? He added a bit of sunshine. So he filled the bag with all these things, isn't it? Then at last what did he do? He called the children, isn't it? Children were playing there. He called the children, please come here and open this bag. So elder brother called the children, come here and open the bag. What did he say to the children? Children, please come here and open the bag. What was in the bag? What did he fill in the bag? Flowers, then feather, blades of green grass, golden corn and a bit of sunshine. After that, he asked the children to come and open the bag. There we stopped. So we can continue. Okay. Next, page number 19. So keep your finger while I'm reading and read with me. The children did so, and out flew thousands of wonderful, colorful creatures with wings. They were the colors of all the beautiful things in the world. What are they? What are they? Cried the children. They laughed and clapped with joy as the creatures flew about their heads. So, you can see the children did so. What did the children do? What did the elder brother say? The elder brother asked the children to open the bag. So the children did so. They opened the bag. When the children opened the bag, what happened? Out of the bag flew. Flew means past tense of fly. Okay, fly, flew. Yes, out of the bag there flew thousands of wonderful, colorful creatures. Creatures means living beings. Living beings are animals. Creatures means animals, living creatures, small insects. Okay, living things with wings. Small insects with the wings. They were the colors of all the beautiful things in the world. So when they opened the bag, what happened? There flew out thousands of wonderful and colorful creatures. Okay, with wings. Creatures with wings. They were the colors of all the beautiful things in the world. All the beautiful things in the world means colors of all the beautiful things means they had different colors, many colors. Who had this? Creatures with wings. These creatures with the wing had different kinds of colors. So, seeing this, what did the children say? The children said, "What are they? What are they?" cried the children. What did they say? "What are they? What are they?" cried the children. They laughed and happed. What did they do? They laughed and clapped their hands. They began to laugh and clap their hands with joy as the creatures flew about their heads. They were very happy seeing these colorful creatures with wings. Isn't it? They were very happy and they began to clap and laugh. And when they began to laugh and clap, no, what happened? These creatures flew about their heads. About their heads means over their heads. Up upon their heads. They began to flew about their heads. Okay, next paragraph. These are new creatures called butterflies, said the elder brother. These are new creatures called butterflies, said elder brother. I made them for you. If time comes when you are sad, the sight of these butterflies may cheer you up. So, what did the elder brother say? When the children were very happy seeing this, what a wonderful, colorful creatures with wings, with colorful, different colors. They were very happy. They began to laugh and clap with joy. Joy means happy. When they began to laugh and clap, what did they do? What did the elder brother do? The elder brother said to the children. The children asked, "What are they? What are they?" Then the elder brother said, "These are new creatures called butterflies," said the elder brother. The elder brother said to the children that, "Children, these are the new creatures called butterflies. The name of these creatures are butterflies. I made them for you. If time comes when you are sad, the sight of these butterflies may cheer you up." The elder brother said, "I made this. Why? Because when you are sad, no, when you watch, sight means the sight of the butterflies, the scene of the butterflies. When you see the butterfly, I made this for you because when you see the butterflies, you become happy. You may cheer up means you become happy." Okay. I think you understood this. So children, read this lesson completely. Okay, many times. There's a homework given for you. Read it many times loudly. Okay. So we can stop here. Thank you.